Okay, good. So what is the machine cycle efficiency? So manufacturing cycle efficiency. So manufacturing, which is process time, divided by the manufacturing time, total time, which is throughput time, move time, plus inspection time, plus queue time, plus process time. So 0.2 divided by, just calculated 10.4. What is the answer here? B, 1.9%. Right? It means out of all the manufacturing cycle, you're converting raw material into finished goods just take 1.9% of the whole time. It means our manufacturing department is very efficient. Processing department is very efficient. So where we are lacking? On queue time. 9.3 days in queuing, in arranging the order of the customer's orders, which box will send to the which customer, which place. Too much time they are taking that one. So what is the delivery time cycle? So total, if we add wait time as well, in manufacturing time or throughput time, we will find out it is delivery time cycle. So smaller the days, better is the efficiency, right? Smaller the percentage, more efficient you are, right? Now, our last learning objective is understand how to construct and use balanced scorecard. So up till now, what we have discussed, performance measurement based on ROI, we saw its drawback. Performance measurement based on residual income, we saw its drawback, right? And now, the managerial accountants, they come up with the new method we call this balanced scorecard, which eliminates all the problems. So they say that we need to measure the performance of an employee not based on just department, based on company financial, based on business processes, based on company future growth, and based on customers. So rather than based on just on return on assets, just on net income or residual income, we based our performance customer oriented, organization learning and growth, internal business processes, and financial performance as well, right? So that is more enhanced one. So here we go. So each balanced scorecard contributed to the overall company goal, and overall company goal contributing to company's mission and strategy. So we can say that what is the mission and vision and strategy of the organization? So what is the financial goal, financial vision that company want to be financially improved? So whether this person is improving company financial or not. What is the customer related company vision is that whether this person is satisfying the customer needs or not, is working according to the customer's satisfaction or not. Internal businesses process, whether this person is improving the business's processes or not, right? And learning and growth, whether this person has that much skills which can be helpful in attaining all these three financial, customer, and internal business processes. So if person has a college degree, he has more efficiency in doing his work, dealing with the customer, improving the financial. Customer, if the employee has university degree, more skill oriented, then his internal business process, customer, and financial performance is even more high. So right, so the balanced scorecard not only just include financial measures, but also includes some non-financial measures as well. But remember, financial measurements are lagged indicators. These are called lag indicators, which means my past performance cannot guarantee my future performance. If in the past I was high achiever, that doesn't mean that this year I can also be a high achiever, right? So that's why we include non-financial measures as well. Customer, see, customers, internal business, and learning and growth. Second, the managers are ordinarily responsible for financial performance. If there is a loss, maybe loss because of there is economy is going down, like Corona hit, the COVID-19 hit the Chinese industry. So that is not in control of Chinese manager. They will say that we did our best, but Corona hit we are lacking our orders. Marketing department will say that this is not our problem, right? So their performance is not just measured solely on the basis of financial measures, but also some non-financial measures as well, right? Plus, not low-level managers, non-financial measures are most likely to be understood and controlled by lower-level managers. So lower-level managers, they are not in control of the financial measures. Factory managers, he has no control over ROI. He has no control over interest rate. He has no control over taxes. He has no control over salaries. He has no control over CEOs, dinners, company, advertisement, marketing department, right? So non-financial measures suits better to him. So there are individual, scorecard, and there is organizational scorecard as well. So department also, evaluated based on scorecard, and individual is also evaluated based on scorecard. So there is personal scorecard, and there is departmental scorecard. If your scorecard is above the departmental scorecard, it means you are high achiever, right? So a personal scorecard should contain measures that can be influenced by individual being evaluated and support the measure in overall balanced scorecard. So normally we include some points. Every company has its own policy because judgment is involved, because we cannot quantify some of the, so how you quantify the learning and growth in your financial terms, in number term? It's hard, right? So how much I satisfy how much my efforts are contributing towards customer satisfaction, we cannot quantify that one. So these are judgment based, in which your judgment is involved. So balanced scorecard should have measures that link together on cause and effect relationship. For example, if we improve one measure, automatically other measure will be improved. If we hire qualified people, they will work hard, their productivity will increase. When their productivity will increase, they will produce good products. When customer will purchase good product, their satisfaction will be higher. When customer buy our product, company financial performance also increases, right? So the balanced scorecard layout concrete actions to attain desired outcomes. So every scorecard item linked with one another, right? So incentive compensation should be linked to balanced scorecard. So we have an example of Jaguar. So you see, employee skills in installing options in Jaguar. If person has mechanical degree, it is a learning and growth. So he can time to install options, number of options available. It can increase easily. It can increase more option in one time, which will include customer satisfaction. It is linked with the customer as well, right? And when number of cars sold increased, company profit increased. So each activity here, learning, growth, internal business process, customer and financial, they are linked together. If we improve one performance, if we improve learning, growth, all three will start improving, right? So strategies are that if we want to increase the option in a car, you increase the skill. So you spend on companies, employees to increase their skills. What happened? So you pay, you train them on their trainings, and what happened? When employee back to their production department, time to install option decreases, option increases, which result is customer is satisfied. When customer is satisfied, the result is number of cars sold increases. Number of cars sold increases means contribution margin per unit increases, which causes profit to increase, right? So every item is linked with one another. Okay, that's all for this chapter. We talked about 3 ways to measure performance: ROI, residual income, and balanced scorecard. So balanced scorecard is more judgmental based, and every company has its own policies to grade, to assign numbers. So, but remember that one, every option is linked together. So I would be uploading assignment 8. Remember, I have extended for assignment 7 time till tomorrow. Please do watch. Those who didn't watch the lecture, please do watch the lecture of our previous lecture. I have uploaded YouTube links, and I also would be uploading the links here. And remember, the assignment 8 deadline is next week before class, and our course is done. So our lecture 15 is going to be review. So come up with your as many as question. If you don't understand some concept or something, please do come up, write down, or email me, or WeChat me your problems and query. I would be happy to answer in our lecture 15. And remember, our exam is on 29th of June. Okay? Any question up till now?
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Junpyo, any question? Okay. See you next week. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.
See you.
See you.